Scene. A father and his son sit in the living room watching the news about the recent wildfires in Los Angeles, California. The son looks concerned and asks his father about the disaster. Dad, I just saw the news about the wildfires in LA. It looks terrible. What's causing these fires? Yes, son. It's really devastating. Wildfires in California are common, especially during dry seasons. They usually start because of extreme heat, dry vegetation, and strong winds. But how does fire start on its own? Well, sometimes it's caused by natural reasons, like lightning strikes. Other times, human activities, like discarded cigarettes, campfires left unattended, or power line failures, can spark a fire. And once it starts, it spreads very quickly. Why does it spread so fast? California has a dry climate, and in summer or fall, the vegetation becomes very dry. When there's wind, it carries embers to other areas, starting new fires. That's why wildfires can grow rapidly and become uncontrollable. That's scary. Have people lost their homes? Yes. Thousands of people have had to evacuate their homes, and many houses have been destroyed. Some roads are closed, and emergency teams are working hard to stop the fire from spreading further. What about the animals? Sadly, wildlife also suffers. Many animals lose their habitats and some don't survive. The smoke from the fire is also dangerous for people and animals. Can firefighters stop it? They are doing their best. Firefighters use water and fire retardants to control the flames. Helicopters and planes drop water from above. But when the fire is too big, it takes days or even weeks to fully put it out. What can people do to prevent wildfires? People need to be very careful. They should avoid throwing lit cigarettes on the ground, never leave campfires burning, and follow fire safety rules. Also, power companies sometimes turn off electricity during extreme weather to prevent sparks from power lines. Son, I feel so bad for the people who lost their homes. Yes, it's heartbreaking, but the government and organizations are helping them by providing shelter, food, and other necessities. Many people also donate to help the victims. I hope they can stop the fire soon. Me too, son. Wildfires are powerful, but with awareness and precautions, we can reduce the damage in the future. Thanks for explaining, Dad. I'll be more careful about fire safety. That's a good mindset, son. It's always better to prevent disasters than to deal with the consequences.